Let's take a closer look at the cabinet in more detail. Start by creating a new cabinet by clicking Create New or by pressing the C key. In its simplest form, a cabinet is made up of 6 components: the left side, right side, top, bottom, back, and front. This basic structure is your starting point, and Easy Form Studio gives you many options to enhance and customize it. At the top of the Properties panel, you'll find the main settings that control the overall dimensions of the cabinet: width, depth, and height. These properties can be accessed both from the header and from the sidebar. Here you can also adjust the thickness of cabinet elements, such as sides, shelves, and backs. The powerful part of these settings is that every change you make updates all boards within the cabinet automatically, keeping proportions and construction integrity correct. You can rotate your cabinet using the sidebar properties or the rotation buttons in the header area. This flexibility allows you to position your cabinets precisely within the design. Proper naming is important for organizing more complex projects. For example, change the cabinet name to My Cabinet, and you will see this name appear in the editable text box, in the header, and in the Scene Elements panel. The note field is also useful in production. Any text you add here will be included when exporting cutting lists to Excel, making it helpful for manufacturing instructions or special handling notes. The same naming and note features apply to individual boards within the cabinet. To rename a board, simply select it in the 3D view or in the Scene Elements panel, and then give it a clear name such as My Right Side. To change cabinet properties, you need to select the cabinet or one of its parts. Cabinet properties are visible whenever any cabinet element is selected. To select an individual board, click on it in the 3D view or in the Scene panel. To select the entire cabinet, click on its name in the Scene panel or in the header menu. Board properties are only visible when a specific board is selected. If you select other Blender objects such as a mesh or a light, the specialized furniture properties will not appear since those objects are outside of EasyForm Studio.